All right, good afternoon, folks. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions, but it's in the afternoon, so it's more like water and questions. It's hot in the garage, so I'm going to move out of the garage in a second, and I'm going to turn the question part of things over to Charlie. And Charlie's going to read to you some common questions, and I'm going to give you what I believe is a good, solid answer. After looking into it on the forum, asking around, I gathered up some pictures on the web. Not all of them are always going to be mine, but they do demonstrate the best way to maybe make something or to do something. So I'll show them to you here in a bit, and where I can, I'll actually show you in the shop. Where I can't, I'll put up still photographs. We'll talk about it. But for right now, we'll turn it over to Charlie. That's his name for at least the moment, my little puppet helper. And, well, we got Tina, the shop girl. I don't know where she is. She vanishes all the time. Okay, folks, here is Charlie.
Hey handyman, I have another question relating to cordless drills, or even corded drills. On the back, they have a little level, but I don't find that it's that accurate and that easy to use for drilling holes straight up and down. So if I don't have a drill press or anything to help me hold it, up and down perfectly, is there an easy, quick way to do it?
Yep, Charlie, there sure is. An easy way to do it is get a couple pieces of small scrap wood, just like you see here in the picture. Not my picture, but I have a little block out in my garage that I use this same method. Sometimes you have something that's too big, it's too bulky to put under the drill press, but you need that perfect straight up and down hole. The level on the butt end of your drill, I mean, a lot of times on not all drills, but they do come on some, it works fairly well. But if I want to keep it in a perfect straight up and down alignment, I do this two little block piece of wood method. Now, this is a trick that's out on the web. It's all over the place. And I thought, well, one of the days I was going to try it, it worked really good. It doesn't take up any room really out in the garage to make this simple little jig. You just make sure you got a sharp drill bit, set it over your hole just like he has here, and go ahead and drill your hole. So it's fast, it's easy, it's very accurate, especially when you can't use that drill press or any other method. So this is kind of like your quick tip of the day, but yes, there is. This is that simple. And I had somebody drop a comment, hey, look, dude, come on. That's like, really easy to do. You got to be kidding. Nope. I didn't think about it at the time when I needed it. Saw this on there and I started using it. Question is, did you think about it? Maybe you didn't. Now you will, hopefully. All right, quick tip of the day. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. Let me know if you like these real quick tips. All right, folks, talk to you soon. You have a great day. Bye-bye.